Are you tired of losing money in the markets? Are you a new trader and want to start on a good note? Or do you just feel completely lost and you do not know how to improve? Then this video is for you. I know what it feels like. I was that person putting all my savings on the line without knowing anything in January 2021, just because I'm drawn to making money quickly. Who isn't? A big first win quickly followed by staggering losses. These losses made me realize there's more to this game. It wasn't as easy as I thought it was, nor as easy as many people on social media make it out to be. It triggered me to focus on myself and study like I used to do as a medical student. Books, websites, videos, armed with a pen, multiple notebooks, and Excel sheets. It was a journey of over a year with many highs and lows, resulting in a trading plan that changed my trading and life forever. Maybe even more important, this journey has given me a framework that I can use to build new strategies in a much shorter time frame. Instead of you having to figure it all out on your own, which can easily take over a year, I present to you a step-by-step guide that will help you build a profitable trading plan in less than 90 days. Finally, let me be honest here. Trading is not easy, building a plan is not easy. But if you take trading seriously, if you understand that it's all about trusting your own plan and strategy, and if you are in it for the long-term profitability and lifestyle flexibility, then this video is for you. Step 1. Explore free tools. This indicator will make you profitable by just buying every signal. Buy it now for $1,000. Have you seen this before? If you're new or not yet profitable, I don't recommend starting by spending your money on expensive indicators. Instead of trying to take a step forward, you're really only taking a step back. You just spend hundreds of dollars on something that still requires you to build a plan to make it work for you. If it was as easy as buying an indicator signal, wouldn't everyone using that indicator be incredibly profitable? Instead, execute on the first step of this 6-step process. Start exploring free tools and indicators on TradingView and other platforms. Educate yourself on how to use these by using books, websites, and videos. There are 3 advantages to doing this. The first advantage is that you learn what you like to use and what you don't like to use. Every person enjoys a different set of trading tools, and every person has a different trading mentality. By exploring tools and indicators, you will find what works for you. Advantage number 2 is that you will gain knowledge and experience that very likely leads to you joining communities that enjoy using the same tools as yourself. This significantly shortens your learning curve. And advantage number 3 is that you won't have to pay hundreds of dollars before you even really started. Step 2. Narrow down and build statistics. Once you've played around with different tools, start narrowing down to a few favorites and track how they perform. Open up an Excel sheet or a note-taking app and start logging data. Track each tool's performance in various market conditions, whether the market is bullish, bearish, or moving sideways. Yes, this is the exciting world of data. It may not sound glamorous, but tracking your results is essential. This data will reveal patterns and show which tools actually gives you an edge. Remember, profitable trading relies on informed decisions, and data is your best friend here. Step 3. Combine your favorite tools into a strategy. Now it's time to bring everything together. Take your best performing tools and combine them. Now collect data on the combination of your tools. For example, if you're using the golden pocket with the VWAP and a point of control, collect data on how price reacts if all of these tools line up perfectly. This is where you begin transforming individual tools into a solid strategy. Keep documenting your results to see if this combination yields consistent outcomes. You're building a multi-tool, data-driven approach which will lead to clear entry rules for your trades. Step 4. Tweak and adjust. Fine-tuning comes next. Adjust indicators or try adding or removing tools to improve your statistics. Keep an eye on metrics like risk-to-reward ratio and win rate. Compare results with your previous combination of tools to see if your strategy improves. Each adjustment should be tracked so you know what's working and why. It's the small changes that often make a big difference. Experiment until you have a strategy you're confident in thanks to the data you collected. Step 5. Start trading with real money, because psychology matters. With a refined strategy in hand, start trading with a small amount of real money. Real money adds a whole new layer to trading. Emotions. When actual dollars are at stake, emotions can plague your results significantly. This step is all about improving your psychology. Even with a solid plan, emotions can easily disrupt your trading. Analyze your decision making, analyze the emotions you feel while trading, analyze if there's an emotional reason for a losing trade. In other words, get insights into your trading behavior. Pay special attention to emotions surrounding greed, fear, anger, confidence, and discipline. Developing psychological control is crucial. Without it, even the best strategy can fail. A great resource for building a strong trading psychology is The Mental Game of Trading by Jared Tendler, a book. If you haven't read it yet, check out the link in the description. Step 6. Gradually increase your portfolio size. Once you've got your psychology in check and are seeing consistent profits, it's time to slowly increase your portfolio size. Start small and then gradually scale up as you gain confidence and experience. Larger trades can amplify both wins and losses, which can impact you psychologically. Take your time to adjust to the added risk as you scale up. Mastering the ability to handle bigger stakes is what sets successful traders apart from the 90% who do not make it. Remember, the goal here is to steadily grow over time. Keep refining your strategy, tracking data, and practicing a consistent emotional control. This will set you up for long-term success. And there you have it, 6 essential steps to becoming a profitable trader. In summary, step 1 is exploring the free tools out there. Step 2 is choosing your favorite tools and building statistics on them. Step 3 is combining some of your favorite tools and again build statistics, but now on the combination. Step 4 is tweaking and adjusting the combination of tools to try and improve your risk to reward ratio, your win rate, and possibly other statistics. Step 5 is starting to trade your strategy with a low amount of money and work on your trading psychology. And then step 6 is slowly increasing your portfolio size so you can get used to the psychology of dealing with bigger numbers. Remember, there is no shortcut to consistent profitability in trading. It takes a lot of time and dedication. A strong willingness to put in the work is required, but the results are worth it. By following these steps, you will set yourself apart from most traders and give yourself the best chance at long-term success. I hope this video was helpful or valuable to you. Please consider subscribing if you enjoy this type of content, daily Bitcoin and altcoin price prediction updates, or learning awesome trading tools like CVD, which is the best trading indicator in my personal opinion, with a free template in the description. Thanks for watching and subscribing, and I hope to see you at the next one. Bye bye.